Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix yellow tint in Windows display in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start. Now here type night light. So open night light. Now here guys you have to option turn on now. So just click on turn on now. Show Warner colors on your display to help you sleep. And guys you can change strength high or low, and also you can schedule night light, and you can set hours. So this is the easy and simple way guys you can fix yellow tint your Windows 11. Just two step. Click on start. This is the first step, and search here night light, and once you see this screen, turn on, and here you can select strength. You can make it sun to sunrise, and also you can schedule night light. So this is the second step. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.